We know that the earth is going to end some or the other time, but the scientists think that the reason for this is the moon. There are many theories that are related to the moon. One of them is related to the end of the earth. One theory has the supposed theory. So now we will see that will the earth really get destroyed. So now let's start by the most common theory. The scientists say that due to increasing pollution and temperature, the magnetic field of the earth which protects us from the solar flares which are emitted by the sun is becoming weaker. It even holds the moon in the orbit. They think that the moon is slowly moving out of the orbit and eventually will disappear. But what if it disappears? First, the earth will get more tilted. Currently, it is tilted at an angle of 23 degrees, and if the moon disappears, it will get further tilted. The nights will be longer, and the major thing, that is, the tides will be way more smaller. This will harm the whole ecosystem, and the seasons will be harsh, which means they will be more dangerous. On the other hand, some say that the moon is coming closer and is going to bang into the earth. This theory seems to be hypothetical. Both these theories might be real or hypothetical, but the real killer of the earth is sun. It will slowly change into a red giant and become bigger. It will eat the Mercury and Venus, and such heat would make the end of the earth. Hope you liked this video. If you found it informative, then click the subscribe button and leave a like to be the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.